Alright, welcome back YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video we are going to go into quiz number 10. So let's jump into this. Why is gate freeze off time critical in injection molding? So what you want to do is A, it determines cycle time only. B, it affects surface finish. C, it limits how long pack pressure is effective. D, it prevents jetting. Okay, so let me go over what is gate freeze off. That way you understand what gate freeze off is. Gate freeze off refers to the moment in the injection molding process when the molded plastic in the gate solidifies, effectively sealing the gate and stopping any further flow of material into the molded cavity. This is critical for ensuring that the part is fully packed and that there are no defects such as sink marks or voids due to insufficient material. Okay? So think about that, guys. When you're thinking about this, a lot of you probably will know this. It's very easy. And then what I'll do is I'll give you some ideas on how to fix gate freeze off if you have issues with gate freeze off, and what a gate freeze off study accomplishes. Okay? So if you know the answer to this, I will have the answer on Friday. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down here in the comment section to let me know if you know this answer. It would be great to see what the comments say, and let me know if I'm doing a good job on the quizzes as well. If I'm teaching you guys anything at all, I'd like to have the feedback from you guys. So like I said, comment down in the comment section and hit those buttons. Please like, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel. It helps everyone find the channel. Until Friday, peace.